Dr. Ruth Gates, very, very big name in the coral industry.
Mm-hmm.
And they were really close friends. And Dr. Gates was out of the University of Hawaii. And they had never had somebody from my university go to her lab. That had never happened because she only really accepted students. But because her and my dean were friends, were really close friends, she was like, I will give you one student to send to my lab as a tester student. And if that goes well, you can send more students.
No pressure.
So no pressure. So I became that student, was asked to be that student, was like, hey, do you want to go be that student, be the example? And I was like, sure. You know what? It was on Coconut Island, which if anybody, I'm sure this is like way too dated of a reference for some people, but Gilligan's Island, that was where that was filmed, is Coconut Island. Yeah. And that's where the institute is. That's where the Hawaii Institute for Marine Biology is. And so I was like, well, why not? Like I can go out to HIMB and go sit on the island. You have to take a little boat out there. I was like, sure, I can go spend the summer on a little island, I guess.
Not bad.
Yeah, so I did, and I remember my first day there. They were touring me around. The woman, her name was Dr. Holly Putnam. She was Ruth Gates, like one of her head researchers, and she was touring me around. She was doing all of this stuff. She was talking to me about like ocean acidification and the impacts on coral, and I was like, whoa, I didn't know any of this. Like I've been so focused on forensics that I've missed so much of what's going on. And the very first day, I was like, this is what I'm doing. I'm not going back. This is it. This is what I'm doing. And so I didn't change my degree just because I was paying for it for myself. And in order to do that, extend the time that I was there. And I was like, I don't think I'm going to be able to financially pull that off. But I did turn all of my research into marine research.